Hello, welcome back. We're to talk about a serious situation. Let me just type something. First, if you wanna see my channel, okay, it doesn't see. So I live in the UAE, but I'm not from the UAE. So today was a massive attack in the UAE. Let me show you. Like everybody's talking about this Republic World, and even stuff that doesn't have to do with anything with the UAE or talking about this. So I live in the UAE. So I live around in Dubai, but in Abu Dhabi there was a big missile. And can you guess which country did it? And if you did not, I'll give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 7. I'll give you 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Okay, but the country that did this was Iran. Let's just show you. I'll take. There's so many broadcast. United National Live. What is this for? Dubai. Wait, let's just search up news and let's see what comes up. News today. Dubai. I live in this country, but I'm not from the country. That's all I'm telling. So, a country and this is. So, I'll watch one of these. We'll watch one of these news broadcasts. I saw the bomb. I didn't see it in person because I was at my house just chilling. I didn't have the curtains open. It happened at 1:30 p.m. Yeah, so here. I think it's. Yeah, this is the image I saw. Yes, very crazy. There's also a whole news article. And guys, they made a news article like an hour and a half later. A news article released about it. And you know how when a person died. Sadly, rest in peace if it was you. I don't think you'll see this video, but let's just see. Why is he bomb? And UAE doesn't get attacked. I don't even think it's ever got attacked. Very safe country, of course. So I don't understand what's the situation about. Look at this. This is. Look at this. Cars are probably running away. You don't see a car going there. The country Iran did this. Let's just. I'm just Iran. I just need to. Yeah, it was a US base in the UAE, and there's some theories about they're gonna hit again. This is the country, and I feel, and this is the country that hit the UAE. And if you don't know the UAE flag, I think a lot of people know this. Yeah, that's the UAE flag. UAE is also combined with Oman, whatever. It was like it was Oman, right? I don't think this had. Yeah, this country did not have any damage. Good. That's actually good. That another country didn't get damaged. And I don't. And hopefully no more attacks. And if there's another attack, the USA is probably gonna do it. But UAE is like a very friendly country. Also, a lot of people. Also, it's a bad time to use in the UAE. It doesn't affect me because I'm technically I'm not from the UAE. But if you or there's something called Ramadan, I think, and right now it's going on. I don't know what the culture is. But this is a very serious situation. This country, man didn't get it. This country is next to UAE, right? This country should be. Yeah, they're right next to each other. So I don't think this country got any damage. But just now let's see some news. What do you want? I'll just take the shortest one. Well, let's see some breaking news. I think this one's in Arabic, yeah.
The US and Israel are attacking Iran.
Yeah, this is the bomb. So a sad thing happened. One person died. You can, but if you wanna, I'm not gonna tell you more information. So if you wanna know more information, you can go on. You just have to type this with Explosion today. I don't really care. I just want to. This is not a. There's some news. I think. Why is this here? You can find this on any platform. You can see all the news. So there's an article on this you can search this up on YouTube or Google, and you'll find a lot about it. But that's it. We're probably gonna go back to making gaming content. But if you live in Dubai, like you live in Dubai, especially Abu Dhabi and Georgia, I don't know I don't really care. I live in the UAE, but I'm not from the UAE. So this is I only live here. So I'll just show you one real life PNG. See, I'll show you a little bit. One sec. I'm hidden under the blanket. Here you go. That's it. Shisha. Bye. I'm not even gonna put. I have an outro for a lot of the videos, but I'm probably not. I was gonna put an outro for the video, but I'm probably not. So bye.